Our task is to make a music video.
You're unique. You're very unique. You see things very differently. You don't see music through words and lyrics. You see music through emotion, like you said. And I don't want you all going underprepared, underconfident on stage. Which means you have no more excuses tomorrow. You can't forget your lyrics, you can't, and there is a schedule that is going to be around it. Okay? And then at 6 o'clock, we do your tech run. So it will be like a full run of the show that's happening tomorrow. जो मूवमेंट तूने पिक किया ना अपने कोरियोग्राफी का उस चंक में एटलीस्ट एक बार इट इज अ वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट चॉइस.
तो मेरा नाम हिमांग है. मैं इलाहाबाद से आता हूँ, प्रयागराज से नहीं, इलाहाबाद से.
दिस इज माय ओपिनियन. आई फील लाइक यू स्टिल नॉट अलाउ योरसेल्फ टू ओपन अप फुल्ली टू व्हाट यू कैन एक्सेस. आई फील लाइक थोड़ा सा अभी बाकी है.
अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है.
Don't doubt yourself, because that's what's coming across. If that's in your mind, no matter what you do, even if you're getting it, it's not going to happen. So get that out, throw it out, shrug it off your system, and get to it.
I've never really had that experience. So
Forget the output. When you love it, when you are enjoying yourself, everyone will enjoy it.
अब मैं आ गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा खुल गया. मैं भुवन भाई को पता है खुलते कैसे हैं. रील भेजते हैं वो बहुत सारे.
I think for you, no, Bhuvan, dancing is not a problem. In fact, you're one of the very few people who are actually picking up really very well, and it's shocking to me right now. Your acting skills, theatre skills also show, which is again a plus sign for you.
please wake up. Are you up?
Everybody gets nervous before they go on stage. Point is, how do you now channel it into being something that becomes positive?
See, the thing is that I don't know the pain of losing someone yet.
You came in with absolute robotic body, and I think you have, oof, what a mover.
Ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 na.
मजे करना है.
So, the theme of this evening is songs from the soul and stories from the heart. Okay? So I hope you're all going to enjoy the evening. Our first performer is Alba.
Hello everyone, I'm Albert, I'm 18, a boy from Manipur. Here to share my own story, a story of letting go, a story of love, and a story of finding my own voice. Because my father is in army, Indian Army, and he always leaves home again and again, and I have learned to say goodbye when I didn't even want to say goodbye.
अपने बारे में बताऊँ तो मैं झारखंड से आता हूँ. मैंने 3 साल पहले एक शौक पाला, बट बहुत क्रेजी शौक पाला क्योंकि मैं एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आता हूँ. मैंने अपने मम्मी पापा को बोला मैं इंजीनियरिंग नहीं कर रहा, मैं कर रहा हूँ म्यूज़िक. बट इन सारी चीज़ों में मैंने वो जॉय खो दिया जिसके लिए मैंने म्यूज़िक शुरू किया था. वो 10 साल पुराना अर्पित जो बहुत खुश होता था लोगों को गाने सुना के, वो काइंड ऑफ फेड हो गया. तो ये जो मैं गा रहा हूँ जस्ट एक रिमाइंडर है उस छोटे से अर्पित के लिए, एक सॉरी है कि भाई खुश हो जा अपनी लाइफ से. तू वो कर रहा है जो तू करना चाहता था.
There was this special someone who I had, and she didn't judge
whether I ever hit the right notes. All she did was call me by a name that no one else did. And when she hugged me, it felt like time would just stop. It felt like time just froze. I couldn't realize how valuable that hug was.
I was always a silent one since the day I was born. I never quite acted like a child. I had big dreams, dreams that I was scared to tell. I saw struggle my whole life. I saw my parents suffering just to give me and my sister a good life. Even though I had big dreams, deep down all I wanted to say was, Papa, you can stop working so much and skipping food and sleep just to pay it all back. As we go, Amma, you can live your life that was taken away from you just because you are a woman. I'll take care of you both and promise me this.
नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब। मेरा नाम हिमांग है। मैं इंजीनियर हूँ और हम इंजीनियर जो होते हैं इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा सब कुछ करते हैं। तो मेरे पिताजी मुझे बैल बुद्धि कहते हैं क्योंकि मैं कभी उनकी सुनता ही नहीं हूँ। He said, बर्बादी की इबारतें जो अपनी लिख रहे हो इससे तुम्हारा घर नहीं चलेगा बेटा। लहरा के तू रूबरू आ गई, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी, धड़कने बेतहाशा तड़पने लगी। मेरे रश के कमर तूने पहली नजर जब नजर से मिलाई मजा आ गया। थैंक यू।
Your band needs to have an identity, needs to have a story, needs to have a name. Try to showcase where you're at with everything that you've learned over these last and push yourself. It should not just be like how it was today. The next time you do this should be literally like maybe 100 notches higher.
अच्छा, डांस कर। वो हाँ बे, जैसे कि और उसके गैप में से दिखेगी ये जो पिलर्स के बीच में गैप है ना, यहाँ से दिखेगी डांस। क्या बोल रहे हैं, मेरा आइडिया नहीं था। आगे तो
Whatever comes to your mind, you can keep adding to it. The idea is write as many as you can in this. So just gives you some kind of roadmap. Your verse is giving you an introduction. The chorus is setting it up, like this is what I want. And then your bridge is a different interpretation, but like a even broader spectrum interpretation of what your storyline is. The band assignment that they have is for them to come up with an idea of a song that pretty much describes who they are as a unit.
I want you all to start understanding the emotional fabric of songs, right? Songs can talk to songs. I don't want a musical response, you understand? I don't want a response to the musicality. I want a response to the emotion. You can't take time after putting the brush. We have two bands in the house. One is Polarity and the other one is Orange Candy. You will get to know them a little bit more closely in a little while. And we have our prestigious judges on the floor. So give it up for Neha, Harshit, Sam, Karthik, Dias. Give it up.
You guys smashed it. I am so happy to see you guys come through in the last 2 days of practicing the way you have been. Mashal, it was amazing to see you dance like this. Oh my god, and you smiled. Oh my god, and you wore orange. You can smile now, don't hold back, don't be smart.
There where I was struggling to choose who to look at, here it was like y'all were fighting to be seen.
This is not a band. This is 5 headless chickens running around.
I think you guys ended up being individual stars. I think some of you even failed at that, to be honest.
I think the first thing I want to say to Polarity is you cannot let ego get in the way. For the first time, I'm actually upset. I couldn't smile at y'all when y'all was performing because I was so affected by it.
You don't say that you don't have chemistry. These guys didn't come with chemistry in their veins and in their bones. They practiced hard enough to build it.
अपना तो है बस यही कहना, रहेंगे हम जैसे चाहते हैं रहना। हाँ हमको जरा नहीं है डर, जाएंगे दिल ले जाएगा जिधर। कोई जागे कोई सोता है, होने दो जो होता है। नए दिन है नई रातें, होने दो नई बातें।
खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने, खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने। गवाह है गुजरे जमाने, जले हैं जब परवाने, खुद ही को खुद से मिलाने चला है ओ दीवाने।
Who would be the 5 people you think could make this the best band possible? The 4 people with you.
I'm mystical, I'm shining loud. I'm swimming through the storm and fate won't let me drown. I'm unbreakable, unshakable, I won't back down. I'm standing strong and you won't ever shake my crown. I'm invincible.